Here we got a rough one that I just want to mention because I grew up, I listened to DMX when I was a youngster.
Yeah.
That was when you were...
Rough Riders.
That was when you were rebellious or whatever. It's like DMX.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Rough Riders.
Yeah.
Stop. Drop. Shut them down. Oh, no. As the Rough Riders roll. Arr, arr. You know? Oh, man.
Sure.
Memories.
Yeah.
Anyway, and also Belly. That's another one. I would watch that movie. Belly, DMX was in that.
Yeah.
He's in rough shape right now. Apparently, his prognosis is not looking good. He had an overdose, and his children are flying in to see him. He was resuscitated for 30 minutes. Paramedics had tried. He's like basically on life support.
Mm-hmm.
And apparently the lack of oxygen has severely impacted his brain. There's not a lot of brain activity going on according to reports. He collapsed at his home. I guess it was last night at this point, and he's in critical condition in the ICU. I suppose this is his publicist saying this or somebody on his behalf. It says, Earl has been a warrior his entire life. This situation represents yet another road he must conquer. The Simmons family, his real name, Earl Simmons, appreciates the overwhelming outpouring of heartfelt love, encouragement, support, and prayers for Earl. Earl is someone whose life and music have been a source of inspiration and strength to so many people around the world. It is reassuring to see his fans return that same passion and energy to him during his time of need. So I hope something positive takes place over there.
Mm-hmm.
Because, well, it's just a tough way to go out, man.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all tough ways, but it's just you do a lot of things in your life, and then it's just unfortunate is what I'm trying to get at over here. Now, he hasn't been in the spotlight all that much recently. He did have that legend versus legend showdown, him and Snoop. I don't know if you caught that. I think it was on Instagram.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they had a battle of their hits. So that was kind of cool. It looked like, a couple of experienced, couple of legends, couple of older dudes.
Yeah.
Doing it for old time's sake. Bunch of people checked in on that.
Yeah.
Look at these old fits that he's wearing,
Yeah.
Crazy.
The baggy pants.
I look at this and I'm just so hot to look at that indoors. That last outfit. I am so hot to look at that indoors.
Yeah.
But
and it's denim too.
Oh, baby. It's a lot going on. But there's been many looks over the years, as you're aware. Look at that. Oh. See, now I could get with that look. Wow. Cool.
Yeah. Hopefully he gets through this.
We can't play any DMX right now, but I'll play some DMX off the air. And and just best wishes. And I guess
just shout out.
I guess just root for him at this point. Root for him to some positive news.